Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TypeScript path aliases with Jest step by step clearly. To configure TypeScript path aliases with Jest, start by ensuring your project has TypeScript and Jest installed. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. If you haven't already, install TypeScript and Jest by running the following command. You may also need to install the Jest package to use TypeScript with Jest. Next, create or update your tsconfig.json file in the root of your project. In the tsconfig.json file, locate the compiler options section. Add a paths property under compiler options if it does not already exist. Define your path aliases within the paths property. For instance, if you want to alias the src/components directory, you could write @components/*src/components/*. Make sure to include a base URL property in the compiler options section, which usually points to //. After updating your tsconfig.json file, save your changes. Next, create a jest.config.js file in the root of your project if it doesn't already exist. In the jest.config.js file, add the module name mapper property. This property will help you map the path aliases to their corresponding paths in Jest. For the alias we defined earlier, add an entry like this, $.components/$root_dir/src/. Now, your Jest configuration aligns with your TypeScript path aliases. To ensure everything is working correctly, create a test file that uses the alias. In your test file, import a component using the alias. Then, run your tests by executing the Jest command in your terminal. The expected output should confirm that Jest is correctly resolving your path aliases. If you encounter any issues during testing, double-check your tsconfig.json and jest.config.js for syntax errors. Once everything is set up correctly, you can enjoy using TypeScript path aliases in your Jest tests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.